Hello, creative souls. Welcome back to our art channel. Aha! Today we are going to embark on a colorful and whimsical journey as we draw a circus clown's face. Circus clowns are known for their vibrant and expressive faces, so let's grab our art supplies and get started. I'm using a pen here, but feel free to use any drawing tool you prefer. Let's begin by lightly sketching a round circle for the clown's head. Now let's add a cheerful and wide smile. Draw a curved line below the nose, extending towards the sides of the circle. Make sure to exaggerate the smile to add the clownish charm. Moving on to the nose. Clowns often have distinctive and comical large noses. Clones often have exaggerated features, so let's start by sketching large elongated eyes. Feel free to play around with the eye shape and size to give your clone a unique and quirky expression. You can make them round, oval, or even exaggeratedly wide. And now, the most exciting part. Let's add some vibrant color to our circus clone's face. I'll be using brush pen, but feel free to use any medium you prefer. Colored pencils or watercolors. Choose a bright color for the face, such as vibrant red or blue. Be careful and confident with your strokes as you trace over the pencil lines. Inking will give you a drawing a more polished and finished look. Choose a bright color for the face, such as vibrant red or blue. Use broad strokes to fill in the area, leaving the eyes, nose, and mouth untouched for now. Remember, clones love bold and contrasting color. Feel free to experiment and create unique patterns or design on the clone's face. Let your imagination run wild. Don't forget to add the color to eyes, nose, and mouth. You can use a mix of colors or go for a classic black and white look. Choice is yours. And there you have it, a colorful and cheerful circus clown face. I hope you had fun creating this whimsical artwork with me. Remember, art is all about expressing yourself and embracing your creativity.